Hi guys, welcome once more to my estate video. Remember what I told you guys about that project that all of you were telling me about I think about 3-4 months ago. The name of the project is called BG Wealth Sharing, something like that. Please make sure that you join estate now that project has rug pulled, right? Because I told you even before now, when you were telling me about that BG group platform, I told you guys that, listen, I know they are promising quite high rate return, very, very high rate return. They said you were going to double your capital within 30 days, 40 days, maybe 60 days, right? But I told you guys that, listen, I'm not telling you not to invest. This is your personal decision. Okay. If you want to put your money in any platform, that is your personal decision. But I am recommending, I told you guys that I recommend estate to you guys, right? Most of you that told me about that BG group platform did not put their money in estate. Rather, they took their money to that platform. Now that platform is gone. Why this estate that I told you long time ago, the estate platform is still here. I told you to put your money here, but you did not listen. So maybe this is the right time for you to listen, I guess, because some of you are telling me now that you lost 5,000, 3,000, 8,000. Somebody came to me and said, "Oh, listen, Bright, remember that platform I told you? They just went away with my 15,000. I deposited 10,000. I made 5,000. I have not been able to withdraw my 5,000. And then now they are gone with my money." I said, "But I told you. But I told you." The good thing with my communication with some people is it is recorded. When I mean recorded, you can go back to the history of our chat and you will see the chat I had with some of these people. I told them that I know estate is not promising you to double your money in 2 weeks, but estate is a legit platform and they are offering a very moderate return. Okay, 0.3 to 1% daily. That's what they are offering. And that has been steady and consistent since before you joined that platform that went away with your money. And now you are running back to me. So, my recommendation again, I'm not going to change from what I have told you before you even join that platform. I told you to join estate. You refuse. Now they've gone with your money and you are coming back. So I am telling you the same thing again. Join estate right now. Okay? Start as little as you can afford right now. Let me show you something, right? This is the screenshot of daily profit from a tokenized property called Villa in estate. This is what comes into the person's account. Okay? Between $15 to $17 daily. Do you think this will make impact in your financial status? The answer is yes, right? So if you want to come in with the minimum, which is $10, again, this is a screenshot of what you should be expecting with your $10 investment, because I know that you put in $10,000 in that platform that just went away. Okay. But if you're coming in here with the mindset of $10, this is what you're going to get. But if you're coming in here with the mindset of more than $10, you are going to be receiving even more than $17, depending on the kind of property that you have decided to purchase a fraction of that property, okay, in estate. So I told you guys that I know estate is not what you are looking for, because they are not giving you 5% daily. They are not even giving you 3% daily. Because a real business, a legitimate, genuine business, is very difficult to maintain that 3.5% that platform, BG group, whatever, that we're promising. and now they've gone with all the money. Both the 3.5% is gone. Your capital is gone. Your profit is gone. You were not able to withdraw. So don't blame me, because I told you from day one that you were talking about that platform, right? So just get started with this platform. Since you've had your experience already with that platform that didn't work out well for you, start with this one. I know money will be difficult for you now to get because of you've lost money recently, but start from as low as you can afford to start in estate. That's all I'm saying. And then with time, you will scale up your your investment, your properties here. They have list of properties here. Miami apartment, they have the lake house, they have the house, they have the desert villa, they have the villa, which is the one I showed you just now, the profit history, and then the Villa Mahu, they have the commerce, they have the business, they have the plot, land plots, they have the development, and then they have the business development. So you can pick anyone from this list and get started with it. Okay, anyone you pick will give you on a default the minimum to start that platform. Please don't hesitate to come back to me with any questions that you may have regarding estate. I am ready to do a presentation for you. Okay, one-to-one presentation. If you want me to do a group presentation for you and your team members that got disappointed on that platform that I just mentioned, I am also willing to offer my time to tell you about estate. Okay, otherwise I have recorded loads and loads of videos that will tell you more about estate. I have my presentation video in my YouTube channel. If you go, you will see that video. I have done Zooms that I have recorded. You can go and check one or two of those Zoom. I do presentation in most of my Zoom. I think one or two that I have done question and answer Zoom. But if you watch any of those of my video, it will tell you more about estate. Okay, I am sorry that you lost money in BG Group, but we are still here in estate earning money. Okay, so please don't overthink what has happened, that you have no control, right? You cannot take back what had happened. So moving forward, progressing from where you are, let us get you started in estate, right? And then let's grow together. Purchase a fraction of tokenized real estate and get started with that. And then with time, you'll add more money to purchase more properties, right? And then before you know it, you will be flying in this platform. So guys, I trust this platform. I believe in this platform. They have been reliable. They have been consistent. That's all I'm looking for. I'm not too worried about the daily income. If they are giving me a decent daily income that like what they are giving now, 0.3 to 1%, I am very happy and comfortable with this, right? So thank you. The link to join is below this video description. I look forward to seeing you in my team, and God bless as you do so. Thank you.